Like it or not, AI is going to have a tremendous impact on the cybersecurity industry. Some jobs will be lost, new jobs will be created, and we're also going to have some other jobs that will evolve as a result of the emergence of AI. So what I want to do in today's video is to give you a clear roadmap with actionable advice that you can take to future AI-proof your career so that you're not negatively impacted. Sounds good? Let's get started. All right, so the first thing I want to address here would involve mindset. Listen, if you're the kind of person who is still afraid of AI and you see AI as this new adversary or tool that's going to replace you, I believe that's the wrong kind of mindset. You should actually embrace AI. AI is here to stay. It is the future. Like it or not, AI is going to revolutionize the cybersecurity industry. It's going to revolutionize the way we live our lives. So why fight against AI? Just embrace it. Think of ways on how you can actually leverage AI to your own benefit. See AI as this new exciting technology that you can leverage to give you new opportunities and maybe even give you a promotion at your place of work. So embrace AI, don't fight it. So now that you have the right mindset, let's talk about what you need to learn. First of all, you need to learn about the basics of AI. Duh, I know it sounds very, very obvious. Obviously, you should learn the basics of AI, but trust me when I say that you will be surprised at how many people in the tech industry today still don't know the basics of AI. Yes, they know what AI is. They know about ChatGPT. They know that AI can generate content and deepfake images and all that. But they don't know how these AI models are actually developed. How are they actually trained? That's what I'm talking about. So when I say you should learn the basics of AI, specifically, learn about machine learning, learn the different types such as reinforcement learning, unsupervised learning, supervised learning, learn about deep learning as well, and of course, natural language processing. You should also learn about the challenges and ethics involved in the world of AI. Once you've learned all these subjects, then you can proudly claim to know the basics of AI. Now, if you're interested in a course that will teach you all these basics, I do have such a course. I will have information down in the description box below. But if you're looking for free courses online, there's several of them. You can check out the AI crash courses from Google and Microsoft. Next will now be to learn how generative AI can be applied in cybersecurity. Say, for example, ChatGPT, arguably the most popular AI model out there. You'll be amazed at the kinds of tasks that ChatGPT can actually perform. I actually didn't know this until I started doing some research for my course. And I found out that ChatGPT can do several things like automation and scripting. It can identify vulnerabilities. It can assess threat reports. It can create security awareness content. There are so many kinds of cybersecurity related tasks that ChatGPT can perform, not to mention other AI models out there. So you need to understand how AI is currently being applied in cybersecurity today, and also potentially in the future, what kinds of new tasks and roles AI will take up in cybersecurity. This will give you a better idea of the kinds of jobs that might either be taken as a result of AI or the kind of jobs that will evolve with the emergence of AI. So learn about how generative AI is being applied in cybersecurity today. And of course, I do have a ChatGPT for cybersecurity course. I'll have my information down in the box below. So now that you've learned the basics of AI, you've learned how generative AI can be applied in cybersecurity, you should now learn about cybersecurity AI or AI cybersecurity. And of course, AI is the new technology in town. You're in cybersecurity. Why not combine both? And when I say learn about cybersecurity AI, I'm talking specifically about adversarial attacks like your prompt injection, model poisoning, and so on. Learn exactly how AI models can be attacked by cyber criminals and malware, because in the near future, AI security engineer, other jobs like adversarial AI analyst, they'll become high in demand. So when you have these skills, these new kind of opportunities will be available to you. So learn about adversarial AI. Next, we have to talk about certifications. And yes, I do believe that you should try to acquire at least one certification related to AI. Now, in particular, there are two I have in mind. One is from CompTIA, which is their CompTIA Security Plus AI certification. And then the other is from ISC Square. They're certified in AI governance CAIG certification. Now, today, both certifications have not yet been published. They're not yet available. In fact, my company, LabCyber, were partners with CompTIA. And when I reached out to them, because actually they were meant to have released their certification a couple of months ago, they said that they ran into some hiccups. They're still trying to fine tune how the certification will be presented. But anytime from now, it will be made available. Now, this goes back to my very first recommendation, which is to take a course in AI. Once you've learned the basics of AI, you will be in a fantastic opportunity to take these certifications once they're published. And wouldn't it be amazing if you are among the very first to have these types of certifications? This will no doubt give you an edge and an advantage over other people because, like it or not, companies right now will start requiring their potential candidates or employees to have some sort of certification in AI. And in my humble opinion, I do believe that these two, the one from CompTIA and the one from ISC Square, would be among the best that you should go for. Another piece of advice I'm going to give you will be to simply focus on the kinds of tasks and roles and skills that AI cannot replace. Basically, any type that requires a human touch or a human input, whether it's a task, a role, a function, you should focus on those. So things like risk assessment, governance, policy making, strategic thinking, these are the kinds of skills that you should look to acquire. And if you're not interested in such skills, maybe you're kind of like the technical person, you prefer getting your hands dirty, then focus on careers like pen testing and ethical hacking or red teaming. Because think of it this way, right? Especially ethical hacking, right? You have to be able to think like an actual cyber criminal or a black hat hacker. AI, as intelligent as they're going to be, they will never be able to think like an actual human. So you, being a human being, you already have that advantage that AI can never replace. So try to focus on tasks, roles, acquire skills that AI cannot replace. This is one of the best pieces of advice that I can give you today. Start focusing on acquiring these kinds of skills and looking to occupying such kinds of roles in the near future. And of course, last but not least, keep yourself updated. The world of AI and cybersecurity continues to evolve at a rapid pace. The kinds of AI models that existed a few weeks ago, they might become outdated in a matter of months from now. There's going to be new AI models out there. There's going to be new kinds of AI technology, new kinds of cybersecurity trends, and so on. So just try to keep yourself updated as much as you possibly can. And of course, if you want to stay updated, be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. But also, like on LinkedIn, on social media, look for professionals, experts in both AI and cybersecurity to keep you updated, to keep you informed about the latest trends. Stay updated. Well, so that's it for today's video, where I've given you a clear roadmap on how to prepare for AI in cybersecurity. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you. Put them down in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them as soon as I can. If you're new here to the channel, welcome to LabCyber. My name is Alex. I cover topics around cybersecurity and AI. So if this kind of content interests you, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new tutorial. So stay safe out there and I will talk to you next time. Cheers.